Oxidation number. This is a very critical kind of the subject, topic basically, not a subject. It's a topic that students really get confused. So oxidation number, we can say the difference between a valency and the oxidation number. Okay, so what is the difference between the valency and the oxidation number? Valency and oxidation number. Okay, so what is valency and what is oxidation number? It is the combining capacity of element. No plus or minus sign is attracted to it. Means there is no plus sign and there is no minus sign in the valency. No plus or minus sign. First point. So we can write no plus and no minus sign is attached to it. So valency is simple. So we can take the example sodium 11. Okay, so what will be the valency? It's 2, 8, 1. So 1 is the valency. So valency is 1. So no plus or no minus. But in case of oxidation number is the charge represent on an atom of the element. It may be plus or minus. So oxidation number is always plus or minus. So attached to plus and minus. So we can say that oxidation number of sodium is plus 1. Oxidation number of sodium is plus 1. Okay. Second point. Valency of an element is usually fixed. So valency of an element is usually fixed. Okay, but in case of oxidation number of element may have different values. Oxidation number of an element have different values. Okay, so it may be 2, minus 2, 3, 4, something like this. Third point, valency is always a whole number. Valency is always a whole number. Whole number means it may be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, something like this. But in case of oxidation number of the element may be whole number or fraction. Oxidation number of an element may be whole number or fraction. So it can be 0.5 also. Okay. Number 4. Valency of an element is never 0 except in noble gases. So valency of an element is never 0. Exception is there, except noble gases. Okay. Noble gases means what? Neon is a noble gases. Okay. Argon is a noble gases. So its valency will be 0. Okay, fourth one, oxidation number of element may be 0. Oxidation number of an element may be 0. Okay, so we can take the example of find oxidation number of carbon in CH4. Okay, this is example. So CH4 is what? So we can take oxidation number of the sum of the oxidation number is always 0. We can write the sum of all elements oxidation number is 0. What? CH4. So we have to find the oxidation number of carbon. So let the oxidation number of carbon is X. Okay, so what could be? X plus hydrogen's oxidation number is always 1. So 4 into oxidation number of hydrogen. Oxidation number of hydrogen is equal to 0. So X plus 4 into 1 is 0. So X is equal to 0 minus 4, that is minus 4. So in this example, the oxidation number of carbon will be minus 4. Oxidation number of carbon is minus 4. In the next classes, we will take the more difficult examples. Thank you.